Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the House of Courage. Today we celebrate bravery, the strength to face challenges, overcome fears, and keep moving forward no matter what. Today, we at Abang Maju are going to take us on a journey where every step and movement tells a story of courage. Imagine a world where people rise above fears, where challenges become opportunities to grow, and where courage lies the way for all of us to follow. The song they are going to be performing today is Siam Swimming and Glow. We choose this song because it represents the true meaning of courage. Standing tall even when things get tough and believing that with courage we can make a difference. As you watch great Labon Mother's performance, notice how every movement represents courage. Courage that empowers, courage that inspires, and courage that unites us all. Through this dance, our young performers can remind us that with courage we can fix anything. We can rise every time. So let us lift our spirits, open our hearts, and celebrate the courage within all of us. Keep standing strong, keep believing, and spread the message of the power of courage. Be brave, be bold, keep shining.
Let me talk to you. Let me talk to you. Let it rain.